Barabara-ini nene ya Nairobi guthiii Mombasa mwena wa MIASENYI kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta niho mutino uyu uhanikire ugikuruhania ngari ya matatu na rori. Matigari maya ni kionereria kia urito wa mutino uyu uri uhanikire mathaa-ini ma kiroko na gucungiriria ikuũ cia andu MUGWANJA gukirikana ndereba wa matatu iria ikumite Mombasa ekugeragia kuhituka ngari ingi riria aguthanire kiongo gwa kiongo na rori iria kwerekeire Mombasa. Agnes Mutunga ni umwe wa aria magurarire mutino-ini uyu agitariria uria honokire ciarera.
I don't know what happened. But mimi nilijipata siwezi kuongea, siwezi kuamka, siwezi songa ndani ya ngari. Mungu akanisaidia. Nikajisukuma mpaka nikatoka. Alafu wasamaria wema wakanisaidia singeweza kutembea. Sababu nimeumia mguu umefunjika na kifua na mikono na macho.
Agnes atariria ati mahinda kwa mahinda ndereba wa ngari ino ni ekugeragia kuhituka ngari ingi indi akiuga ndanamenya uria mutino uyu uhanikire kuona acokire gukoma.
But nilikuwa naona sometimes ndereba ana overtake. So one way or the other pia nilikuwa na ile fear but I could not expect kama kutakuwa hivyo. Later on mimi nikalala.
Aria magurarire matengeririo thibitari-ini wa Moi mwena wa Voi, ndagitari Swale agitariria namba ya aria makuire na aria marathi na mbere kwa mukiro rigiti.
We received 11 casualties in our hospital. We had 7 fatalities. 4 of them were male and 3 were female, unidentified right now. They are in the morgue. In the ward, in the casualty, we have 7 referrals to Mombasa. We are referring them. Patients are stable currently. Some patients had multiple fractures. We stabilized the fractures and referred them to Mombasa respectively. And then also we have 2 discharges, patients who came in and then we reviewed them and we discharged them immediately, and 1 admission.
Mutino uyu uhanikite riri a Kenya aingi maratuma thabari ni undu wa mambura ma thigũkũ. Kamanda wa borithi sub-county-ini ya Voi Frederick Naibei akiuria matereba na ahũthĩri angĩ a bara kũgĩa na wĩigĩrĩrĩki.
Watu ambao wanasafiri kupitia highway yetu, kupitia reli yetu wawe makini sana. Hasa watu ambao wanaendesha magari, wanaendesha pikipiki. Hii ni barabara ambayo ni single, si dual. Kwa hivyo kuna kupitana kwa magari. Naomba madereva wakuwe waangalifu.
Oho akiuga maafitha a rũhonge rwa traffic ni maritabanagia mũngũrũrio mahinda kwa mahinda niguo gũthingatithia watho wa barabara.
Maafisa wetu wa trafiki watakuwa barabara kushika doria kila wakati kwa ajili ya kuzuia ama kupunguza hali zote za ajali.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadĩro.